Major Ecosystem, Chapter 27. Excuse number 1. Weather refer to short-term fluctuation in temperature, cloud cover, wind and precipitation. It prevails over period of hours or days. Option D, A and B is correct. Which statement about the hydrospheric ecosystem is incorrect? Saltwater ecosystem covers about 75% Earth's surface. The productivity of an ecosystem is indicated by number of plants in that ecosystem, the density of that ecosystem. Option D, both A and B is correct. In which zone plant community is most diverse? Littoral zone. Littoral zone. Option B is correct. Which statement about the profundal zone is correct? Decomposer and detritus feeder inhibit it. Option C is correct. MCQ number 6. Eutrophication is adequate nutrition excretion by human activity. Option B is correct. In polluted lake, which organism dominates the community? Blue-green algae. Option D is correct. Evolution of vascular bundles in plant and skeleton in animal is an adaptation for terrestrial ecosystem. Option C is correct. Terrestrial ecosystem. 9. The development of bark in plant and skin in animal is a method for reducing water loss. Option C is correct. Number 10. Which statement is incorrect? Coniferous forest located at high latitude are alpine. Option D is incorrect statement. Temperature of temperate deciduous forest is 4 to 3 degrees centigrade. Option A is correct. 12. Coniferous forest located at high altitude are called alpine. Option B is correct. The grassland in tropic climate with woody trees is called savanna. B is correct. Zone of lake water which is open water near the surface is called laminitic. Option B is correct. Ecosystem of Shogran is temperature deciduous. Option C is correct. Mountains of Kohindu-Kush come under tundra. Option A is correct. Tundra. Annual rainfall in grassland is 250 to 750 mm. One of the most important cause of desertification is deforestation. The end of earth is related to tundra. Option D is correct. The desert ecosystem of Mia Valley is Thal. Option B is correct. Thal. In sub-humid tropical grassland, productivity is more than 4,000 gram over m2. The annual rainfall in desert is less than 250 to 500 mm. Treeless tundra of high latitude between taiga and polar ice caps is called Arctic tundra. Option C is correct. The most fragile of all biomes is tundra. Option D is